Hey Facebook, how are you all? I hope you're all well. It's been a hot minute. I took a week off to actually come to you live. I know I'm a little bit late than normal. It's been a pretty crazy day. And as you all know, some of you may not know that my state is in a stage 4 lockdown that was implemented tonight. So it's interesting times. I hope you're all well as you're hopping on. Say hello, don't be a stranger. Tell me where you're coming in from. Tell me how your weekend has been so far. Mine's been incredible. We had another amazing month in July. We had incredible results and it's just been amazing. And in August, I'm going to be releasing to you some brand new material, and this is the start. I want to announce my brand new series, which I'll start officially tomorrow, called Mindset, Marketing and Momentum Equals More Money. And obviously, the more that you improve your mindset, the more that you improve your marketing, the more that you'll get into momentum, which invariably will result in more money, which is what I'm going to be bringing to you. All strategies, tips, hacks, ideas, and also things for you to do as homework in August for you to be able to level up in your business, in your life, whatever it is that you want to do. And so I just want to go over it tonight and give you an idea around why I'm doing this. Basically, currently I'm in a 12-month mentorship with top professional business coach called Dean Graziosis, and so I've been learning all of these strategies from him, and I've just decided to give you some of that tips, but also as part of my vision is just to help people to level up their game overall in their life. So this is the start of that series. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about having a better mindset. And so mindset is so important because in anything that you do, you have to have good mindset. You have to have a strong mindset. And a lot of people underestimate the importance of mindset. They just think that they can just start things and they can just get started and it's just going to be one big massive trajectory from here to where they want to go, and they're going to succeed. Little do they know that 80 to 90% of their journey is what's happening in here. And so what I want to bring to the table is 7 business days. So Monday through Friday, and then the following 2 days of the following week. So 7 days of mindset training, talking to you about mindset hacks, things that you can improve to be able to, to improve your mindset, strategies that you can incorporate into your game, into your DMO that's going to take you to the next level, and also some strategies to be able to help you to overcome some of those limiting beliefs that might be holding you back. So that's really important. And for those of you who don't know who I am, by the way, my name is Elsa Morgan. I have forgotten to introduce myself. I'm a wife, a mum, and I also have a global home business that spans multiple countries. I'm also a network marketing coach with the Higdon Group. I specifically look after, I'm one of the coaches for the Inner Circle, the 100K, where I actually coach people to 6-figure mindsets. And that's been such a rewarding journey. And I coach exclusively through them only. So if you do want to get coaching from me, you need to be able to reach out to me, and I'll send you the link for you to be able to apply. Not everyone gets in. There is an application process. And so you can certainly do that as well. So that's what I plan on doing with regards to mindset, is to help you incorporate some mindset strategies to level up your game, right? So I'm going to use 7 days of mindset training. Then I'm going to give you 7 days of marketing training, like the things that you can incorporate into your marketing game, how you can improve, what you can do to level up in your game of marketing, some of the strategies, some of the trends, some of the things that you could be doing to be able to attract new people, like what you could be doing to improve your conversations or increase your conversations, right? How you can improve your brand. How can you tell your story or share your story further? So I'm going to be teaching you 7 days of marketing strategies, how you can incorporate that in conjunction with also working on your mindset as well. And then the last 7 days, I'm going to be giving you momentum, things of momentum strategies, hacks, references, anything like that that's going to get you into further action, so that way you're eventually getting to massive momentum, incorporating your marketing as well as your mindset hacks that I've been teaching you in the previous 14 lives as well. So it's an overall concept of mindset marketing to get you into momentum, which invariably means more money in your bank account. So I'm super excited to be able to share all of that content with you, all of the strategies, all of the hacks, so that way you guys can win as well. And of course, this is all stuff that not only have I learned along the way from all of my mentors and specifically from Dean Graziosi, but also stuff that I've implemented and have actually achieved success from as well. Specifically in the last 60 days, where I've so many personal bests. And so I want to share that with you so you too can win too. Okay. So guys, quick live tonight explaining to you the start of my brand new series, Mindset, Marketing and Momentum Equals More Money. So that way you guys can win too. And please feel free to share this live. I know there's going to be a lot of people that are going to want to see this. So day one starts tomorrow. Grab a pen and paper and make sure you are ready to take notes. 7 days straight of mindset training. All right. Take care, guys. Bye.